Hello everyone, welcome to Engineering Tools. In this video we are going to download Microsoft Visual Studio 2019. So just go to Google and search Visual Studio. The first link visualstudio.microsoft.com, just click on that. Yes. Next we have to download Microsoft Visual 2019 Community Edition. This is very important. We have to download Community Edition because the Community Edition is free. So download Community 2019. Yes, the file will be downloaded. Now just open that file. Yes, double click. So after opening the file, you will get this screen. Here you have to check this text box, .NET Desktop Development, because we are using .NET framework to create GUI applications, right? So just .NET Desktop and click on Modify. It will download and install all the .NET framework in your Visual Studio 2019, right? So this is very important step. So after downloading and installing, just launch the Visual Studio. So after opening Visual Studio 2019, this will be your first screen. Here we have to create a new project. Now see, when we are creating CLI, that is command line application, we have to create one file like .c, .cpp, .java, whatever it is. In GUI, we have to create a project in which there are various files. Okay, don't worry, we don't have to write all the files. Visual Studio will take care of those files. Just remember that here every application is called as project. Okay, so just select Windows Forms app .NET framework. We are going to create Windows app using .NET framework, and in this select Windows Form .NET framework. Yes, and click on next. Okay, don't click anywhere, we have to choose this. So this is your project. So give project name, let's say Windows Forms app. Okay, we will keep as it is. Then location, this is the default location. If you want custom location, just click on these three dots and browse the directory wherever you want to save. We are going to save it on the default location. Then click on this checkbox. What is this? Okay, don't worry, we will see it later. And create. So what it will do, it will create all the files necessary to run the project, and your project will be created. Okay, yes, so this is our project in which the form 1 is by default created. Okay, and you might see all the windows over here and there, and many windows are opening, right? So just close all the window. We only want this window over here. Just close all left and right side windows. Okay, done. Perfect. Now we have to open 3 windows that we will be required. Click on View, Solution Explorer. Yes, what is this? So this is your directory Windows Form App 1 which we saved, and all these are nothing but various files which are required to run your project. Okay, next window we will be required, that is View and Toolbox. Yes, this is very important video. All your UI elements are listed here. What are the UI elements that we are going to see in login application video? Don't worry, just do as I say. Okay, so we have 2 windows, Toolbox and Solution Explorer. Now we want third window. So just right click on your form and Properties. Yes, this window we want, and now just drag this property over Solution Explorer so it will be maximized. Yes, so this is our final setup. Now we can run the application by using Control F5. Okay, just press Control F5. Yeah, so build means it is same as compilation. So it is compiling our project. Yes, then build 1 succeeded means our compilation succeeded and we got our 1 default form. This is the default output of our project. Now we have to develop this form to application by using various UI elements and backend code. Okay, now one more thing is remaining, just short thing. Just go to File Explorer or this PC and navigate to your project directory, whichever the path you have set while creating the project. So R is default directory, just go to default directory, users, then username, source, yes, repos, yes, here all my projects are listed. So this is the project I have created, just open it. Yes, this is all files created by Visual Studio. These all files are required to run your project. Now just go to bin and debug. Yes. So here Windows Form app.1.exe. This is your executable file. Okay. So just double click on it. Yes, you will get the exact same output. So you can share this exe to your friend or anybody. He will get also same output. Okay, so this is your output exe. So that's all from this video. We have successfully downloaded, installed and configured Visual Studio 2019 Community Edition. And there is one important thing I want to tell you. Be patient. Okay, we are developing a GUI software, not 10 lines of code we are writing. Okay, so it will take time. Initially it will take a lot of time. Just be patient. So guys, learn the concept carefully from our video and use your creativity to develop different creative applications. Okay, it is not mandatory that you have to develop just the software we are going to discuss with you. Okay, you can develop your own softwares with your own creativity. Okay, and if you have developed any software, kindly let us know at let's talk at engineeringtunes.com. We are very eager to know what our users are developing, and if you have any doubts, don't hesitate to put that doubts into comment. So thanks for joining Engineering Tunes, where engineering made easy.